Hey friends, if you wish to reset or refresh Firefox browser settings to default on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing, Firefox is different from Chrome and Edge Chromium. Here's what you have to do. Click on the hamburger icon or these three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and click on Help and click on More Troubleshooting Information. There's an option here which says Refresh Firefox. Click on it. Then select this red or pink option for Refresh Firefox, and then it will start refreshing it. It will need a while. Click on Done, and then it will start refreshing Firefox. This may need time. It may also need up to a minute. And once this is done, you can reopen it. Everything will be reset, and all your accounts will also be logged out. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.